Hello everyone. Welcome to the 5th video in our Self-reg series. Today, we will be exploring Step 5, Respond, developing personalized strategies for restoration and resilience. As parents and teachers working with school-going children, it is crucial for us to understand how to effectively cope with stress and help our children do the same. Imagine receiving unexpected bad news. In that moment, our bodies and minds react swiftly. Our hearts race, we start to perspire, our emotions surge, and our minds may feel overwhelmed. This heightened bodily tension depletes our energy reserves. Step 5 of Self-reg-Respond focuses on how we can restore ourselves and build resilience in the face of stress. Hi, I'm Naomi, a speech therapist and the founder of Speech Therapy Adventures. I am passionate about connecting people and helping children learn through play. In order for us to know how to restore, we must first recognize when we are under stress. We start by viewing ourselves with soft eyes and reframing our behavior. We have taken steps to recognize and reduce stresses in our environment. Through reflection, we improve our ability to recognize when we are nearing our breaking point, when we need to restore, and what specific actions will help us restore in that particular instance. Let's take ice skating as an example. It can be an exhilarating experience, but as we step off the skating rink, we immediately feel the difference. Our muscles may start to ache as we relax and walk on solid ground again. This removal of external stimuli is like a significant reduction in stresses, but it is not truly restorative. Once we step off the rink, we look forward to changing out of our wet clothes and into comfortable, dry ones. Resting our muscles to release the tension that built up during the experience. Feeling well rested and rejuvenated. Taking care of any bruises or cuts we may have sustained during skating. By going through most, if not all, of these suggestions, we can truly feel restored once again. By recognizing these signs, we can make informed adjustments to restore balance. When we are on the ice rink, our arousal level is heightened, helping us navigate the slippery surroundings and maintain our balance. Our bodies are upregulated, filled with tension and energy to keep us upright and safely maneuver past other skaters. When it's time to rest and recover, we need to give our bodies the time they need to recuperate. We direct our energy towards restorative cellular repair. It's important to replenish the energy we've expended through eating and drinking. Additionally, we need to rest well so that our sore muscles can recover, and attend to any wounds or bruises for proper healing. Finding the delicate balance between up-regulating and down-regulating tasks is crucial. In self-regulation, the goal is to experience true restoration, which means restoring homeostasis and replenishing our energy reserves. This allows us to shift from a state of fight, flight, or freeze to a state of social engagement, where we have sufficient energy to tackle the next challenge. When we respond or restore, we target all 5 domains and fill our metaphorical gas tank, enabling us to view the world around us with soft eyes. Some examples of restorative practices include yoga, going for a hike, singing, watching a fireplace, engaging in enjoyable activities with a trusted partner, or simply closing our eyes and meditating. It's important to note that what works for you may be different from what works for each individual child. Everyone has their own unique differences, and what may be effective for one person may not apply to another. Similarly, what works well one day may not work as effectively on another day. By engaging in practices that restore us, we maintain that up-regulating/down-regulating balance across all domains. The truth is that we move up and down these regulation cycles multiple times a day. Imagine a scenario where a child has difficulties transitioning from one end to another. He or she may not have the energy to deal with the various stimuli. These seemingly neutral stimuli are perceived as negative experiences. As a result, the child constantly faces stressful situations without adequate restoration. Their thoughts and emotions may become channeled towards negativity. Just like water flowing repeatedly over a rock wall, these negative experiences can etch a negative bias into their mindset. It's crucial for us to ensure that the child we are working with is not energy depleted, as this increases the probability of perceiving similar experiences in a negative light. Our goal is to prevent this negative bias from becoming entrenched. So, how can we protect against this negative bias and support the child's restoration and resilience? It starts with recognizing the signs of energy depletion. When a child is low on energy, they are more vulnerable to negative perceptions and reactions. As parents and teachers, we need to be vigilant in monitoring their energy levels and intervening to replenish and restore their energy when necessary. By focusing on restoration, we can help the child build resilience and develop a more balanced perspective. Just as repeated water flow etches into a rock wall, repeated positive experiences can help counteract the negative bias. Through this process of canalization, we can help the child create a more positive outlook when we provide the child with opportunities for rest and rejuvenation, help them maintain their energy levels, and prevent the negative bias from taking hold. By implementing personalized strategies for restoration and resilience, we identify activities and practices that are unique to that specific child to help replenish their energy reserves and promote a more positive outlook. In conclusion, by prioritizing joy and incorporating personalized strategies for restoration and resilience, we can navigate the self-regulation process more effectively. By attending to our energy reserves, reducing stresses, and maintaining balance, we create an environment where joy thrives and resilience flourishes. Let joy be our compass on this transformative journey of self-regulation. Remember, our role as parents and teachers is not just to address the immediate stresses or challenges but to support the child's overall well-being and resilience. By actively incorporating personalized strategies for restoration and resilience, we can ensure that the child's energy remains replenished, their negative biases are minimized, and they are better equipped to navigate the ups and downs of life. Thank you for joining me today as we explore Step 5 of the Self-reg framework. Together, we can make a positive difference in the lives of the children we care for. Let's continue to prioritize restoration and resilience as we guide them on their journey of self-regulation. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will delve further into the power of positive connections on regulation. Until then, let's keep channeling our efforts towards nurturing restoration and resilience in our children. Thank you.